Hey friends, if you wish to restore the new context menu item in Windows File Explorer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Registry Editor in the Windows search bar and click on Registry Editor. Now go to the path hkey classes root directory background shellx context menu handler new. Now in the right pane there is a value called default. Okay, it's a string value. So double click on it and it has a value here. So I will copy paste this to the description section of the video so you can keep this value. Now let's say this one has been deleted, then the context menu will also be deleted. So all you need to do is right click, new string value, and then double click on it and give it this value here. I won't click on OK because otherwise it will create two context menus, but this is what you have to do. Click on OK, and you can also change its value to default if you want to. I mean the name to default, but that is less important. So the value is the most important thing. And then restart your computer and the problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.